How to fix Windows Time Services missing error. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. If that didn't work, within the date and time settings, navigate to the Internet Time section. Click the Change Settings button. Choose a different time server from the drop-down menu. Click the Update Now button to synchronize with the new time server. To finalize your changes, click the OK button. Open the Windows search box and type Task Scheduler. Select Task Scheduler from the best match results. Expand the Task Scheduler library folder. Navigate to Microsoft Windows Time Synchronization. Check if the time synchronization tasks are disabled. If they are disabled, right-click on each task and select Enable. Now try again and your problem should be fixed.